Hey YouTube, this is TV Blake. Welcome to my channel.
This is your delicious foodie eating her way through the midnight. And the first thing I'm going to try is my nephew's. Oh, what is this, Jonathan?
Fried cheese curd.
Fried cheese curd. Hello. It's okay. Kind of buttery. But not. Get that. Roasted corn on the midway. I also added in, I sprinkled it with some garlic seasoning that they have. I'm some roasted corn seasoning. To me, eating roasted corn is just as good. It's just as much of a fair tradition as eating a corny dog at the Texas State Fair. Delicious foodie here. He's trying a stuffed wing. You have to ask them so they don't pour that stuff on. It's really, really hot. Tastes okay. I'll give it a okay. Not an altogether lovely, but definitely not a it's not bad. It's good. 14 coupons. Okay. The sauce that she drips it in, you actually need it for it to taste good. It's some type of syrup, or it's sweet, but you do need it. It makes it taste a lot better. This is deep fried bacon cream cheese deviled egg. I don't know that I would get it again. It does have a little kick to it, but it's basically tastes like a deviled egg with some pepper. Hey, what is that, y'all, on the pecan pie poppers? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna get a little of the whipped cream on it. This is the pecan pie popper. Let's try it. Sorry, I put all the whipped cream. That's what too much for coffee milk. It's like crispy and good, but you still taste like a strong pecan pie. It's the winner. I'm at the, I don't know what booth this is. I'll show you a picture. But I'm about to eat the jalapeno corn dog shrimp. Of course it's deep fried. Oh, y'all know it's deep fried because I'm about to eat it. First of all, I think I got burn my mouth. It's a good amount of shrimp. Tender, not overcooked. Need a little something on it, like a dipping sauce or something, but here it is.
Enjoying this video? Well, please take the time to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell right next to it so you'll be alerted of all my new videos. Thank you.
We're about to taste the Dreamy Drunken Sopapilla cheesecake bar. I just took a picture of it. Here it is right here. Let you get a good look at it. Okay, here goes. Buttery. Got a little alcohol. Oh my God. This is really, really good. Oh. Yes. I'm gonna get another bite. I'm actually sharing. Kinda don't want to share. But anyway, I definitely say come to Chef Cassie's Creations booth. Yeah, you need to look her up. All together. Lovely. In addition to the fried food, there's some jazz. There's some jazz out here right behind me. The fair has everything for everybody. Delicious foodies. About to try some Bishop cider crackberry. I don't like beer, but it's actually kind of good. Almost like a kombucha kind of taste. Texas cider. Have some, sis. Stop. Like this is real strong or something.
Thank you so much for watching me eat my way through the 2017 State Fair of Texas. Here's the winners for 2018. Can't wait to taste them and tell you all about it.
We're safe at the fair.